This is huge news for Bitcoin, but it's also very, very big news for the entire crypto market. Okay. Because remember, we have to pay attention to Bitcoin and Ethereum because with a market cap of 932 billion for the entire crypto market, and if you look at Bitcoin at 372 billion of that 932 billion and 160, if you look at these two numbers combined, Bitcoin and Ethereum make up 60% of the entire market crypto crypto market capitalization. And Bitcoin itself makes up north of 30+%. Okay. And so here's why this is relevant. 740 million in Bitcoin has exited exchanges, the biggest outflow since June's Bitcoin price crash. Now, you may be looking at this going, oh my God, Austin, this sounds horrible. This is bad news. No, it is not. This is interesting because this is speaking to looking back at historical patterns. This is interesting, and it could be basically laying the groundwork for a very interesting situation. And here we go. All right. So with that said, the amount of Bitcoin flowing out of exchanges picked up momentum on October 18th, basically in the last 24 hours, hinting at weakening sell pressure that could help Bitcoin price avoid a deeper correction below 18,000. Now, this is not the end-all, be-all metric, if you're looking at outflow of Bitcoin leaving exchanges, but it is one condition that historically is kind of shown that when Bitcoin starts to be moved off of centralized exchanges, it is actually seen as a bullish indicator. Okay. So over 37,000 left exchanges on October 18th. Okay. This marks the biggest Bitcoin daily outflow since June 17th. On June 17th, nearly 68,000 Bitcoin was removed from exchanges. Moreover, 121,000 Bitcoin, 2.4 billion at current prices, has left the exchanges in the past 30 days. So you see all this Bitcoin is moving off of these centralized exchanges. Okay, now, right here, this is it. A spike in Bitcoin outflows from exchanges is typically seen as a bullish signal because traders remove the coins from platforms that they wish to hold. Okay? Conversely, a jump in Bitcoin inflows into exchanges is typically considered bearish given that the supply immediately available for selling increases. There you go. Okay, so this is showing that quite possibly we could be shoring up a pretty significant protection, if you will, against the possibility of Bitcoin running down further. Now, I'm going to say all that, and I'm going to put everything I've just said, I'm going to put it aside just for a minute, because I want to remind you of something that is out there. This is for Bitcoin, Ethereum, for everything. Okay, remember that we have the Federal Reserve is set to meet. This is the Federal Reserve's website right here. The Federal Reserve is set to meet on November 1st and 2nd right here. And they are going to raise interest rate. It is going to happen. They are going to raise interest rates. We know they're going to do it, most likely 75 basis points. Yes, you should and do care about this because it is the Federal Reserve. Every time they raise interest rates, we get some type of an impact to crypto, and they've raised interest rates this year five times. Okay, and so just be aware of that we've got some more downside potential. Also note right here, we have another FOMC, a Federal Reserve meeting set for December 13th and 14th. Okay, so I'm not trying to be the voice of doom and gloom here. That's not my point. My point is to make you aware. But bottom line, we've got some interesting bullish signals lining up with this outflow scenario that basically Bitcoin is moving off of exchanges, like I already told you. Okay, so just keep it in mind. That's what I got for you right here and now. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. Stick around, and I will see you. Have a good one.